I'm your host, NightFright. I'm your host, NightFright, and welcome to another talk show. Today's topic is using a green screen. And what I'm going to show you today is what we use when we make our intros and what we use in the background and also the program that I use. Now you can pick up a green screen real cheap for around $20 off of eBay, and you want to look for a green screen that's 10 foot by 20 foot. And then here is what the green screen looks like, just like that. So if you find a flat wall, or if you have to put it up, hang it up on where a window would happen to be, then what you need to do to keep the lighting out is by using a black cloth that will go behind it. So that way you don't get any light shining through. Once you hang it up, it needs to be as smooth, and you can't have any wrinkles. That way when you record your video, then when you put your background up against it, it won't look like there's wrinkles in there. It'll look like a wall. Or what I use in my intro is my name and also all the different horror characters that we came up with. So it's called Adobe After Effects, and that's the program. And so I made what I done was uploaded a little video that we were testing out the camera to see if the red light came on for recording, and also the full intro using the green screen. And then after the green screen and my video, I also included the background and also the program that we put everything together, and then the intro is then made. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope I've tried to explain everything I possibly could on what I did with the intro. So, and here we go.
Just record. I think it's going, is it?
The button on the back.
Is it going? Yeah, if it's red dot, I think that means it's going. I don't know, you want to say something about the news? Alright.
I'm your host, NightFright.
Perfect.
Okay, viewers, this is the program that I am using. It's called Adobe After Effects. Now, up here in your left-hand corner is the background that will go in front of the green screen. And then you take this and you drag it over onto the main screen right here. And you can remove or add things that you don't want. And then once you get that all established, what you want to show, like my intro, then you can add the sound effects and the video, and also the video of me saying I am NightFright and snap my fingers and seeing the flames come, and then you could run it and see if that's what you like, or you could add or take away on this program. So that's what this program does. Now I am in the learning process of putting things together, so it's going to take me a while. But I just thought I'd show you guys what the Adobe After Effects program looks like and what you could do with it. So you could do wonders, adding different special effects like lasers or fireballs, or maybe getting shot and you could see the bullets hit you, or a car wreck. But this is the background that I have on my intro. And then when you have the green screen up, you're recording and how your intro wants to look like. And you could add any kind of background. This is the one I used on mine at the beginning of each of my videos. So I hope this explains everything here, and now we'll just see what the whole intro video looks like with the background and the effects. So I hope you enjoyed this, and let's see what the intro looks like. Thanks for watching.